Great festival of divinity which unfortunately turned into a tragic sight on the 29th of January. It was the deadly stampede at the Mahakumbh that killed at least 30 devotees and has left 60 people severely injured. Now a three-member judicial panel is all set to reach the Mahakumbh today. They'll begin the investigation with regards to the cause of the 29th January stampede. Amid all this, there is a plea that has been filed in the Supreme Court demanding more safety measures to be put at the Mahakumbh. The plea also demands that there needs to be a regulation with regards to VVIP movement at the Triveni Sangam. India Today has seen exclusive satellite images. They have been accessed by India Today, which reveal massive rush and congestion at the Sangam nose on the day when the stampede took place.
Just before the Mauni Amavasya Stan, there was a terrible stampede which resulted in at least 30 fatalities and more than 60 being injured. The toll could have been higher, but for these brave personnel of the Uttar Pradesh Fire Service, who were the first responders near pillar number 155 and 56, where the tragedy struck. And with me is the Chief Fire Officer Gyan Prakash Sharma, who was the first responder. ज्ञान प्रकाश शर्मा जी, आप सबसे पहले जब पहुंचे तो आपने क्या देखा?
जब यहाँ पे कंट्रोल रूम से मैसेज मिला था हमको कि भाई स्टम्पेड में कुछ लोग घायल हुए हैं, तो तुरंत 3 एम्बुलेंस लेके पहुँचे थे हम। हमारी यहाँ पे टीम करीब 22 से 24 लोगों की टीम 24/7 तैनात रहती है, तो उसको लेके रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन किया गया। लेकिन यहाँ पे मौके पे घायलों की संख्या ज़्यादा थी, 40 से 50 लोग घायल थे, तो तुरंत ही 15 से 20 एम्बुलेंस और मंगाई गई और पूरी टीम के साथ जो है करीब 1-1.5-2 घंटे में इसको रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन को पूर्ण रूप से किया गया।
Now the administration has decided that people will not be permitted to congregate, especially near the Sangam Ghat. There were laxities, there was dereliction which led to losses of life and people being injured. But efforts, according to the administration, now are on to ensure that on the Basant Panchami, Maghi Purnima and the Mahashivratri Snan, the mistakes are not repeated and the Mahakumbh Mahasnan can continue unhindered. VVIPs are no longer being permitted to bring their hooters and cars and their families. This is for the common devotees. That's the effort. We will continue to report on whether it's actually implemented on ground. With cameraman Kripal Singh in Prayagraj, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.